Well, hello class. Today we're gonna review the Roy G. Biv or the colors of the rainbow. Roy stands for R or red, O for orange, Y for yellow, G for green, Roy G, and Biv is blue, indigo, this is darker blue called indigo, and violet. So we watched the video about rainbow. Now listen carefully, no talking. And is allowed, and we're gonna keep reviewing the color spectrum, the rainbow colors, and we're gonna learn the order again. So we're gonna learn by taking our little baggie, and don't do it until I tell you so. When we have bubbles in our mouth and we're quiet and sitting quietly, I'll tell you when to start working and when to stop working. You're gonna take your little bag, and we're gonna open our journal, or if you're working on a piece of paper, you're gonna open your piece of paper. First thing is we're gonna sign our name. You're gonna put name in large, make a nice large name. So first and last, what's your name here? Your table number in a circle. What's your table number? Is it 1? Is it 2? Is it 3? Write down your table seat number in front of you on the divider. And then grade 1 or kindergarten G. This is G. And then K is for kindergarten, or G1 is for first grade. And then when you have that ready, you turn your paper over. Mine is showing through, but that's okay because I'm gonna use another one. That's because on the camera it's hard to see, so that's why. But you signed yours with a crayon or with pencil, so yours is fine. So we're gonna start on the bottom here, and we're gonna review our colors. So I have my piece of paper, and I'm gonna start putting a little glue on the bottom, starting with red. You can let the ends overlap like that. Start with red. And the next color is, it's not gluing very good, so I'm going to put it on the underside too. Put it on the underside. And that is my red color. That's going better now. Next one will be orange. I'll take my orange strip, and I'm going to put orange right next to the red. You can overlap a little. Next color is yellow. We can overlap a little. Next color will be green. And I can put some on the green too. Green. Next color is blue. So use your blue. You can overlap a little. Next color is indigo. And you can overlap a little. And the last color is purple. And you should have plenty to cover the paper with your beautiful rainbow. Now we're gonna cut off the ends to make it nice and neat, or you can tuck in the ends actually. Cut them off if they're too long, or you can glue them on the underside if they're short. So if they're too long, just Miss Kramer will take that extra paper back from you, and if they're just short like this, just tuck it down on the other side. So you can put some glue on the ends like that, and you can tack it down like so. And we have our rainbow poster in the proper colors that we can practice now. So if something gets loose, just add more glue and glue it one more time. Okay. All right. If you have a little bit missing, you can even take your crayon and match the color to the missing piece. For example, I'm missing purple, so I'm going to add some more purple to this end here. Like that. And this is the correct order. So in correct order, we have first red, we have orange, then yellow, then green, then blue, then indigo, then violet. I am missing a little bit orange. I'm going to add some orange here. All right, I'm missing a little orange here. I'm going to color that out. Now I'm going to take a piece of paper, and in this order, we're going to practice the order. I'm going to make my own rainbow into my journal or piece of paper. So you have your journals here from Miss Kramer. You can grab your journal, open your journal, and start doing a rainbow. This time, you're going to put it side to side, not this way, but on side to side. And we're going to practice this order just the way we have it here. And I'm going to move the camera. And we're going to practice making a large arch with red. The whole paper is going to be red. And we're going to make a neat line and color the line neatly with red crayon. See how thick it is? I'm making a nice thick big rainbow. So I'm going to make it that thickness, this one. See how thick? So we're going to have a nice red, and we're going to continue making it nice and thick and even all the way through. Not just a couple of scribbles. We're not just scribbling. We're gonna do a lot of effort to have this nice and even. Then I'm gonna go into the orange. Next one will be yellow. And if you have a broken crayon that doesn't have a paper, nice way to color a bigger area on the paper is to pull down with the yellow, and on the side, instead of just using the tip of the crayon, I'm using the whole side, and that way I can cover more area more faster than it would take me to just use the tip. Okay, next color is green, and I have a couple of crayons here. Which one can I choose? Maybe this. Maybe I'm gonna peel it on purpose so that it doesn't take that long to draw the thick lines that I'm trying to do. So I'm gonna peel my crayon, just a small piece that I have a broken piece in my crayon box, and I'm gonna use the side, not the tip, not the very tip, but the side, the whole side of the crayon, laying it down. And now I make the whole side evenly green. and evenly thick along the side. So it's the same width. Width is from here all the way to here. That's width. So we're having the same width. See? So this is the width. Each one has to be nice and even. So now we have green. The next color is, you tell me. Yes, it's blue. And this one is already peeled and broken, so I can use it on the side. This one looks more like indigo than blue. It looks darker blue. Let me add more lighter blue, which is this one. This is a lighter blue. This was the indigo one. It looks slightly violet-like. I'm gonna go into my violet now. Make it a little darker for you to see on the video. You can see that's my rainbow. Now next thing what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it out. I hope you all have your scissors. Flat box. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut out my rainbow. Beautiful. And the other side. Okay, and now that we have our rainbow, we're gonna cut little from a white paper. We're gonna draw a big cloud. Like that. Big sign, like U, if you're making U shape, over and over. U, big U, big U, big U, U, all around. And then you're gonna cut your cloud around the U shapes. It needs to be nice and big. See how mine is so big? It's gonna be my large cloud for my rainbow. And we're gonna cut it out. Nicely. And then you're gonna slightly cover the ends with some blue just to give the cloud a little shading. I'm gonna shade the sides of the blue like that. Maybe a little more blue here and there. Maybe a little push harder, like at the very edge, and then a little lighter in the middle to create shading. So we push hard at the very edge to create shading. Now we can put it together. So now we're gonna take our cloud, actually maybe one side of the cloud, fold it in half and cut it along the fold. Fold it in half and cut it. And it's gonna fit the rainbow better. So now we're gonna glue this cloud here and this cloud here. I'm running out of space on camera, but if I push this computer away, let me see if I can show you. So I'm gonna glue this and this at the ends of the rainbow. Okay, so you can use your glue stick and put some glue on the back side of this and then glue that on top like so. Or you can do it the other way too. The rainbow can come overlapping on top of the cloud. It doesn't matter. It can be both ways. Okay, so I can just do it the way I did it first. So I glue it like that, and then I'll go ahead to the other side, and I'll glue my cloud like so, right there. Now I have a beautiful, fabulous, gorgeous rainbow poster for celebrating the St. Patrick's Day and to display in class or to give it to your homeroom teacher as a decoration. Now is your turn. So we have made beautiful papers, rainbow papers for class. And we also have made our own gorgeous rainbows. Nice job, everyone.